Hi everyone, welcome to the Team 1 presentation. In this presentation, we will be applying the Market Opportunity Navigator on the Dutch maritime company Seatrade. When deciding on a company, we considered all of our own industries and their current state of technology. We recognize that the shipping industry seems to be the most traditional and could benefit from new technologies.
Seatrade is a Dutch shipping company owning approximately 60 specialized reefer and container vessels. The company is active worldwide as niche carrier and provides ocean transport services for container and palletized cargoes on certain trade lanes with a focus on refrigerated or reefer merchandise and fast transit times. The global market is dominated by large carriers like Maersk, MSC, and CMA CGM, who offer container transport services on similar routes but in general slower. While the company operates its vessels, it also deals with technical matters like clearing, maintenance, and new building. There are also several external stakeholders. Think of shippers, receivers, the direct clients, but also terminal operators and authorities, for example.
Let's start with a very short primer on ChatGPT. As you will probably be aware, ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI and launched to the public in November 2022. It is the fastest growing consumer internet app to date, having reached 100 million users in less than 2 months. Today, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is valued at $80 billion and is credited with having ignited the current exponential AI boom and the release of competing products such as Gemini by Google, Llama by Meta, Claude by Anthropic, and Grok by xAI. Stemming from their natural language and understanding, these chatbots are expected to disrupt tasks in a range of industries, for example in customer service, in content generation, and education, among others.
So, what are some of the core abilities or technological elements of ChatGPT? Well, I think the first that most MBA students are familiar with is the text generation ability. It can provide human-like responses to user requests in over 50 languages and can generate software code. The user interface is quite simple and can be used across platforms. Responses take only a matter of seconds, and you can customize ChatGPT to respond in a certain manner or context. ChatGPT can also take images as input, where it can summarize, analyze, and classify the contents of the image. A popular use of this ability is to create recipes based on a set of photos of your own ingredients. And the technology that enables all of this is machine learning, or more specifically, deep learning. ChatGPT is trained on large data sets, and this data can also be customized for a given application or market. And then moving on to our market opportunities. First we assumed a third party can provide us with a customized implementation of ChatGPT. And that first application that we identified, it seemed quite obvious, which was a customer support chatbot. And when we started to look at the different customers, we first started to look at our existing customer base and the services we currently provide, which normally fall under either ship management or the different aspects of the shipping itself, which is cargo, transport, and logistics. And across these services, the chatbot itself could be supporting booking, consulting, cargo status, and compliance management. And a similar opportunity, but maybe less dynamic, was a simple information portal. Instead of looking up and reading tons of policy and regulatory documentation and local costs, it can all be captured in a single ChatGPT and type interface. And the image-based cargo management application led to the most customer needs that could be potentially met, from insurance claims with providing damage assessment and determining liability, to inspection, to safety and compliance monitoring. It could also be applied to port security and customs and even support maintenance assessments. A dynamic pricing application could offer clients better deals and also make sales departments more aware of these opportunities. And lastly, a booking optimization application could be used internally to manage cargo compatibility, so the different refrigeration requirements, for example, or other measures for risk reduction or specific compliance needs.
opportunity we assess is the one about image-based cargo management that we believe has high potential. There are high reasons to buy. Once certified, this system could reduce the manpower costs significantly at the port by facilitating containers inspections. There is high market volume. The system could serve current cargo companies with potential for extending over different markets. There is super high economic viability due to the limited fixed cost because cameras are usually already installed or they can be easily installed and customers would pay with a monthly subscription. The challenges are considered as medium. There is medium implementation obstacles due to the limited risk in terms of implementation, technology being already there, that is ChatGPT. There is medium time to revenue. Solution can be easily set and kick off in any port with cameras and connectivity. And there are, on the other hand, high external risks because the use of data, privacy related to cameras, and the recognition and official inspection tool for containers will require regulatory approval, probably not easy to get.
Opportunity is the dynamic pricing tool. We see this as mid potential, with mid reasons to buy. Although it could be an attractive system for the commercial department, it's not easy to think how it would either be marketable or lead to extra income. It has high market volume. The market volume is high as it could be applied to all sales inquiries. It has mid-economic viability. The main question is whether a system like this will be successful in maximizing income or whether it's marketable. It will rely on own data mainly, but whether it can take hidden data from competition into account remains unclear, which of course would be required to give competitive prices. We consider it highly challenging to implement. It will be very hard to get all the relevant and up-to-date data. It has a medium time to revenue. Once successful, the tool could generate more income, although it is difficult to see how successful it will be. We consider it has low external risk. The own developed tool can probably not be copied that easily by the competition. The opportunity has mid potential, but it has high challenges to implement.
The customer support chatbot showed good overall potential with a low overall challenge. We believe there's a lot of efficiency to be gained for shipping clients in the consulting service. The market volume could consist of our current customer base at a minimum, and we believe there's a low cost compared to the potential value. We see this as a straightforward implementation of a customized version of ChatGPT, so very few obstacles or development time. But there is a risk with that because if it is a successful application, there's not much effort for a copycat product. The information portal had low overall potential and a low overall challenge. Booking optimization had a high overall potential and a low overall challenge. From the market opportunity attractiveness map, you can see that the image-based cargo management application has the highest overall potential with a medium overall challenge and is the only application in the goldmine category. So therefore, we chose this application as our primary market opportunity.
Having identified the primary opportunity, we now want to focus on the most promising alternatives and how to categorize them. The dynamic pricing requires additional technological efforts because it is unrelated to the image recognition, while its market is partially overlapping with our primary market opportunity. The other two opportunities, the chatbot and booking optimization, have more technological similarities as they rely on already existing and well-known AI features that we already use for the image recognition, and their market relatedness is as the previous opportunity not completely unrelated. Therefore, we consider dynamic pricing as backup to place in storage, while the other two as growth opportunities to keep open.
The Agile-focused dartboard provides a visualization of our market opportunity strategy. We will pursue the image-based cargo management application and keep open the customer support chatbot and booking optimization application. Thank you for your time.